Our growing team is busy taking cuttings from stock plants. Here are cuttings from a butterfly bush. Using a custom soil blend, they then dip them in a liquid rooting hormone and stick them into trays. Then water them in, either by hand or through an automated system. It is amazing how quickly roots and new growth can form on heated floors. We take cuttings from many varieties like vines, fruits, herbs, shrubs, and perennials. Over 70,000 cuttings are needed for next year's program. Our team is also busy seeding. Seeding happens throughout the summertime. 2 methods are utilized, hand seeding or by machine. Germination is an amazing process to watch. In total, around 630,000 seeds are needed for next year's program. Along with cuttings and seeding, our team is also growing perennials in the field, whether in our shade structure for plants that prefer a break from the sun or in our open fields for sun-loving varieties. These are grown to their full potential, then dug up, divided, and repotted for next spring.